The door to hell is a unique and intriguing natural phenomenon located in the Karakum Desert of Turkmenistan, near the village of Darvaza. It is a large, constantly burning crater that has fascinated visitors and researchers alike. Here is a more detailed breakdown of its history, scientific background, and cultural significance. 1. Discovery and origins. The door to hell began as a natural gas field discovered by Soviet geologists in 1971. At that time, the Soviet Union was exploring for hydrocarbons in the area, and they found a vast deposit of natural gas beneath the desert. While drilling a well, the ground beneath the drilling rig collapsed, creating a large crater, about 60 meters, 200 feet, wide and 20 meters, 66 feet, deep. The collapse also caused the release of large amounts of methane gas. 2. The decision to set it on fire. To prevent the spread of the methane gas and reduce the potential for dangerous explosions, the Soviet scientists decided to set the crater on fire. The idea was that the gas would burn off within a few weeks, and the situation would be contained. However, the fire did not extinguish as expected, and it continued to burn for decades. The crater became known as the Door to Hell due to the intense flames and glowing orange-red color of the fire at night, which resembled a portal to another world. 3. Why it has burned for decades. While the fire was originally expected to burn off in a short time, the vast amount of natural gas beneath the surface has kept the flames alive for over 50 years. The crater is still actively burning, with methane gas feeding the fire continuously. The rate at which the gas is being consumed depends on various factors, including the size of the underground reservoir and the rate of its depletion. As of now, there are no signs of the fire stopping anytime soon. 4. Geological and environmental impact. The Darvaza gas crater lies in an arid region of the Karakum Desert, which is part of the Turkmenistan desert region. Despite being a massive open flame, the environmental impact of the crater is relatively low compared to other industrial gas flares because the fire burns off natural gas, a cleaner fuel compared to coal or oil. However, there are concerns regarding the long-term sustainability of the local ecosystem due to the altered land surface and potential impacts on nearby wildlife. 5. Scientific interest. The crater has attracted scientists and geologists due to its unique nature. Researchers study the phenomenon to understand the geological processes involved in natural gas formations and the risks of methane leaks from underground reservoirs. The continuous fire has also made the area a subject of interest for climate scientists, as it provides a striking example of how methane, a potent greenhouse gas, can affect the environment. 6. Tourism and cultural significance. In recent years, the Door to Hell has become a popular tourist attraction. Visitors from all over the world come to. 6. Tourism and cultural significance. In recent years, the Door to Hell has become a popular tourist attraction. Visitors from all over the world come to witness this remarkable natural wonder. Its fiery glow, particularly at night, gives the crater an almost otherworldly appearance, making it a favorite among photographers and adventurers. In Turkmenistan, the Door to Hell has taken on some cultural significance. The surreal image of the burning crater has become a symbol of the country's natural resources and its mysterious allure. Local legends and myths also surround the crater, with some believing it to be a gateway to the underworld. 7. Visiting the Door to Hell. The site is accessible to tourists, though the surrounding desert is not easily navigable. Many visitors travel to the crater as part of organized tours, which typically involve trips from the capital city, Ashgabat. Some tourists camp near the crater to witness the flames up close, especially at night when the fire's intensity is at its peak. While the site is safe to visit, caution is advised due to the extreme heat radiating from the fire and the risk of falling into the deep pit. There are no permanent structures at the site, and most visitors must bring their own supplies for the journey. 8. Future of the Door to Hell. There have been discussions about extinguishing the fire or attempting to control it. However, the cost of such an endeavor would be high, and the